Hi, it's Anne-Marie and I'm talking about trees today. I'm going to start with a native. They're all natives today actually. This one is an endemic species, so this one is born and bred in Brisbane. It's a beautiful tree. It's called the butterfly bush or Pavetta australiensis. It has beautiful white flowers that are pollinator attracting, and afterwards there is a little black berry that the birds find really attractive. It doesn't grow too big, so it's fantastic for a small garden. It's also great as an understory plant. It'll grow around about 2 meters by around about 2 meters, up to 4 possibly. Beautiful glossy leaf and a really lovely plant to have in a small garden. This is also another Brisbane born and bred plant. This is Cupaniopsis anacardioides, so this is the Tuckaroo. The Tuckaroo is fantastic. The Tuckaroo will take a huge range of soil types. It'll take a huge range of positions. It grows in a really lovely formal rounded manner, so it's a great tree for a formal garden as well. And it has a very well behaved root system, so it's a really good tree for a backyard. So they're the two ones that come from Brisbane. This one comes from further north. This is an amazing looking plant. This is called Phaleria, clerodendron, or it's called Scented Daphne. Now this plant gets little white flowers all over the stems and all over the trunk, and the flowers smell like pineapple. Once again, it's attractive to pollinators. The fruit that follows is also attractive to birds. It's a beautiful, beautiful tree, part shade for this one, and it doesn't grow too big either, around about 6 meters in cultivation. This one here is the tried and true small leaf Lillypilly. It's a great tree because it grows quickly, it screens well. It also has attractive new pink growth and will flower with little puffball flowers in the spring-summer months, and it's followed by an edible fruit that we can eat. We can also make into jams, and also the birds love it. So it's a great screening tree. This one will get up to around about 15 meters under the best conditions, but really it's one of those trees that you can keep to 2 meters without a problem. And it's a wonderful screening and feature tree. And the last one that I've got to talk to you about is called the Native Gardenia. So this is Randia fitzalanii. It is a beautiful, large, glossy leafed tree. It'll take a variety of situations again. It'll take sun right through to part shade. It has a white scented flower, and it grows in a beautiful sort of pyramid shape. So it's quite an interesting shapely tree. I really like it, and if you want to screen out something, this is the tree for you, because it just grows really broadly, and it grows not too tall, around about 5 meters or so in cultivation. And these are 5 trees that you could have in your garden, and as it is National Tree Day this Saturday, consider planting one. Consider planting any tree really. They're all great.